Hate may be a strong word, but it definitely applies to anime characters on this list. The recipe for an amazing anime always includes a great cast of characters. However, some anime series still includes awful characters either for plot development or just to make viewers mad. You probably have some characters come to your mind when you think of the ones you absolutely loathe. Although you might not agree with all the hated anime characters on this list, there's a huge cloud of animosity surrounding them for many different reasons. So in this video, we are going over top 10 most hated anime characters of all time. So without any further ado, let's start with the video. On the 10th number, the anime character is Shinji Ikari. When a character is overpowered like Kirito, they become bland, but when the character is too weak, they are painful to watch. Shinji Ikari from New Genesis Evangelion is a prime example of one of those weak characters. Shinji doesn't make you excited to keep watching Neon Genesis Evangelion. His lack of confidence and all whippiness defines him, making him extremely boring to watch. But he's not that much bad as compared to the characters which are listed above him. So on the 9th number, the character is Sakura. Sakura could have been a greater character. Instead, she's to an annoying girl with an overblown ego and sassy personality. Sakura mainly relies on Naruto and Sasuke during fights, and she is usually not powerful enough to contribute in any fights. The Naruto series simply lets Sakura down by not developing her into a decent character. On the 8th number, the character is Ito Makoto. Ito Makoto of School Days might look like a typical high school boy, but he's actually a manipulative womanizer. Once you watch School Days, you will probably want to give up on the entire anime industry and its horrible tropes. Let's just say Makoto's calculated and disgusting actions will make you want to punch him in the face. On the 7th number, the character name is Miki Kawaii from A Silent Voice movie. A Silent Voice follows Shoya Ishida, a former elementary school bully. Now that he is in high school, he tries to make amends with one of his victims, a deaf girl named Shoko Nishimiya. Despite the fact that Ishida was an actual bully, Miki Kawaii stands out as one of the biggest villains in the movie. In elementary school, Kawaii never attempted to stop Nishima from getting bullied and instead giggled on the sideline. Throughout the film, she proceeds to act narcissist and never admits any wrongdoings. And that's why she is one of the most hated anime characters in anime movies. On the 6th number, the most hated anime character is Griffith. Griffith from Berserk begins as a respectable and even admirable anime character. He leads a powerful mercenary group alongside Gus and Casca. However, he ends up letting down his allies and assaulting one of them. In this way, he doesn't just betray the trust of his so-called teammates, but he also betrays the viewers. On the 5th number, the character is Kyubey. There's no doubt about it, Kyubey is adorable. His cat rabbit-like features will draw you in immediately. When his malevolent role in Madoka Magica gets revealed, most viewers don't accept it. Kyubey promises to grant the wishes of a young girl. But there's a catch. The girls must become magical girls with the responsibility of fighting witches. This sounds like amazing opportunity, but the manipulative Kyubey has the secret goal that will make these girls suffer. On the 4th number, the character is Nina Einstein. The entire Code Geass fanbase can agree that Nina Einstein is as horrible as the character on the first number on this list. Not only does Nina harbors racist view against Eleven or Japanese people, but she becomes unhealthily obsessed with Princess Euphemia. While there's nothing wrong with admiring a princess, Nina takes it way too far. She loves Euphemia so much that she develops a deadly weapon for her sake. On the 3rd number, the character is Kirito. You might consider Kirito from Sword Art Online as one of the most heroic anime characters. And that's absolutely correct. Kirito is heroic in the blandest way possible. In other words, he's a Garry's too, a character who is perfect in every way. In Sword Art Online's first story arc, Kirito doesn't lose. He always manages to beat his enemies and get the girl. Kirito is just a generic hero which shows poor character development and writings, because it's not supposed to be a funny anime like One Punch Man. The main character is not supposed to be overpowered, but still he every time wins against the enemies. That's why many people hate Kirito from Sword Art Online. On the 2nd number, the character is Minoru Mineta. You can tell that Mineta is annoying just by looking at him. His obnoxious lumpy mohawk complements his equally obnoxious personality. Mineta unfortunately is in My Hero Academia and successfully tarnished the show with his useless antics. It's not that Mineta lame or ball producing power makes him a hated character, it's his lewd comments, childish personality and outspokenness of him being hateable. MHA would have been a way better off without him. Now before moving to the first most hated anime character, I would like you guys to please subscribe to my YouTube channel because I post daily anime content about top 10 top 5 listings, anime reviews, recommendations, theories, news and all sort of anime content on daily basis. So if you enjoyed, please subscribe and like this video. So on the first number, the most hated anime character is Sho Tucker from Full Metal Alchemist or Full Metal Alchemist Brother. Behind the smiling face of Sho Tucker is something much more sinister. He may be a minor character in Full Metal Alchemist, but he is hands down the most hated character in all anime history. Why is this? Well, if you have never seen Full Metal Alchemist and you don't wanna get spoiled, then stop watching the video right here. Sho Tucker, also known as Saving Life Alchemist, performs an experiment that combines two living beings into an disgusting chimera, his dog and his daughter. Yes guys, he actually uses his dog and his daughter to combine and make a chimera animal. To make matter worse, Sho Tucker has done the same thing with his wife and claims that she simply up and left the family years ago. And that's why he's one of the most hated anime characters in whole anime history. If you haven't watched Full Metal Alchemist, then you should give it a try because it's really good. If you don't know which one should you watch, Full Metal Alchemist or Full Metal Alchemist Brotherhood, then watch this video which I have already made, which tells the 10 differences between Full Metal and Full Metal Alchemist Brotherhood, and I have also told in that video that which one should you start with. So yeah, that was the video guys about top 10 most hated anime characters of all time. If you enjoyed this video, just don't forget to like this video. Comment down below what are your thoughts about which is the most hated anime characters according to you. And if you have any hated anime characters which are not there in this list, then let me know those characters' names in the comment section down below. Subscribe to my YouTube channel because I post daily anime content about top 10 top 5 listings, anime reviews, recommendations, news, theories and all sort of anime content on daily basis. So if you enjoyed, please subscribe, and that was it guys, and I will see you in the next one. Sayonara.